So when body projected vertically up, then conditions. For example, when body is projected vertically up, then height, maximum height, maximum height is nothing but what is it? U is equal to U, A minus of G, S is equal to H, right? Here after reaching highest point, final velocity becomes 0. V square minus of U square, that is equal to AS. Therefore 0 minus of U square is equal to minus of 2GH. Then H is equal to U square divided by 2G. Then time of ascent. Time of ascent equation is what is it? Time taken by the body to reach up. Therefore, after displacement, final velocity is become 0. Therefore, V is equal to U plus AT. 0 minus U minus of G into T. U is equal to T is nothing but time taken TA. TA is equal to U by G. Descent. Time of descent is time taken by the body to reach this, what is it? Ground. U0 A plus G. Okay, S is equal to H. Then S is equal to UT plus half. Otherwise, time value we can take. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. H is equal to half into G into TD square. TTD I am taken downstream. You know that A square by 2G. Therefore 1 by 2 G into TD square. 2 get cancel. Here TD square is equal to U square by G square. TD is equal to U by G. So time of flight is equal to time of ascent plus time of descent. Therefore U by G plus U by G. Therefore T is equal to 2U divided by G. Next, here okay. Hold it. Of the tower, height of tower expression, then we can consider a tower. What is it? Height is H. We can determine. Here body is thrown vertically up and reaches to what is that same point of projection. Then this is plus x, this is minus of x, and up to here it is what is it? Minus of h. Total displacement covered is equal to total displacement is equal to x minus of h minus of h, that is equal to minus of h. Okay, this is total displacement. According to equation of motion, ut plus half a t square, body projected up u a minus of g, s is equal to minus of h. Conditions you can put in the ut minus half g t square. Okay, so therefore h is equal to minus of ut plus half gt square. Therefore h is equal to half gt square minus of ut. This is our height expression. Well, now well. So a stone is dropped into the well, right? So flash sound is heard after time t. Then flash sound heard after stone is dropped. In well. Okay. Then time value, time after time taken to listen as sound. Okay. Heard after stone is dropped. Then time taken to listen flash sound heard. What is that? After stone is dropped. Then total time is equal to time taken by the stone. This is time taken by stone to reach ground. Next, okay, time taken by sound to reach, time taken by sound to reach up. Okay, so both times, okay, we can add them, then we will get total time taken. Therefore, time taken by the, what is that, stone to reach the ground according to equation of motion. So first case, what is that here? Stone is dropping. Here is u is equal to 0, a is equal to plus g. This is stone. In the first case, right, u0, a plus g, s is equal to h, t is equal to t. Okay. Then 1 we can consider t1, this is t2. Therefore, s is equal to ut plus half at square, h is equal to half gt1 square, t1 is equal to h by g. Right, this is 2h by g plus, next, time taken by the sound. Second case, so sound value will be reaching up. So therefore, velocity is equal distance by time, t is equal to t2, distance is h by velocity of sound is v. Therefore, h by velocity of sound is u and t. Right. So this is total time taken to listen flash sound. Stones, 2 stones, one of them fall freely, another one projected up with initial velocity u. When and where they will meet, when and where they will be meet. So this is stone 1, this is stone 2, right? So one is dropping, another one is throwing up. So both of them is meeting at this point. Here total height is what is it? H, right? So covering displacement is x. Next displacement is h minus of x, right? This is stone 1. One is falling on stone 1. This is stone 2, right? So when and where they will be meet, stone 1 condition, stone 1 it is falling freely, so that's why u0 a plus g, this is equal to dx, therefore this is equal to ut plus half ad square, x is equal to half gt square, right? Stone 2 it is projected up uu a minus g, this is equal to the h minus of x, right? So therefore this is equal to ut minus plus of at square, h minus of x is equal to u into t minus half gt square. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, equation 1 put in 2, therefore h minus of x is equal to ut minus of x, right? X get cancelled, h is equal to ut, t is equal to h by u. This is meeting time. Next, meeting position. Okay, meeting position is x is equal to half into g into t is equal to h by u whole square. X is equal to half g h square by u square. Meeting position. Right. Dropped from multi-store building. Time taken to reach ground in t1 second. If it is stopped in t2 seconds, further release, then the time taken t3. Find further released further release the time taken t3 question mark ante, right? So this is stone, it is dropping, time taken to reach the ground, that is what is it, h. Next, for example, if it is stopped after, here time taken is t2 and further release time taken t3 question mark, right? So this is h1, this is h2, therefore total height h is equal to what is it, h1 plus h2. Here h1 is equal to half into gt1 square, here half into gt3 square, here half gt square, t2 square, this is t1 square, this is t3 square, half g t1 square is equal to half g take common, t2 square plus t3 square get cancelled, t3 square is equal t1 square minus of t2 square. t3 is equal to root over t1 square minus t2 square. This is further time taken.